coverage insurance with Allstate. I deal with the automobile, house insurance, everything related to insurance I can be of help with it. So tonight we're going to be talking, of course, about insurance. Thank you so much for explaining the finance back of it with the credits. So I took the liberty to do an outline for what we're going to talk about. We're going to start with what is insurance, quickly, not the dictionary version of it. Then we're going to move to the importance of insurance, why is it important among the rest of the population as well as among millennials. Then we're going to move to the types of insurance. We're talking automobile, more than tenant than house because can't afford a house right now. Moving to life, which is one of the most important things that we should focus on. Ending with the health and dismemberment. And then I actually took the liberty to build what you actually need as a millennial. All the types that we passed on, we're not going to take all of those. We're going to be focusing on stuff that we need right now. So the definition is quite clear. I actually went on Google and saw a huge paragraph of the definition of insurance. The only thing you should know about is that anything that has an insurable interest can actually be insured. Your phone, anything that you own can be insured. Anything that you do not own, you are not allowed to insure that. Anyway, by law, and the autorité de marché financier. So the importance of insurance, let's start with the first one, provides protection against occurrence of uncertain events. Volcanoes, hail, anything that a natural disaster may happen to you, you are actually covered against that. And other humans may cause harm to other humans. It happens, it's called civil liability. You are actually also covered for that. Moving to the second one, which is device for eliminating risks and sharing losses. You don't have to pay from your pocket anymore. You're hedged. There is no risk anymore. You can sleep stress-free. That's actually, I love insurance. That's one of the reasons why I went into this industry in the first place. Moving to the financial support. Financial support is fantastic. That's where life insurance comes in, actually. So when one of your loved ones, passes away, financial support is due to the life insurance that you decided to take, or your parents will be able to help with the replacement of income loss. Moving to the medical support, that's where the health and dismemberment comes in. This is actually, I don't really like it. I don't even have it. I work in insurance. We don't need it. We're done. Moving to the last one, which is cooperative method of spreading risk. You're not going to be paying from your pocket anymore. Yeah, you are going to be paying monthly premiums in exchange for risks happening in the future or uncertainties, but I don't think anyone would be wanting to pay $1 million in 2 hours right now if something happens on the floor, all right? So the types of insurance, we are talking about health, wealth, life. Health and wealth and life are highly correlated, positively correlated. That's when you can make money actually out of it. Vehicle insurance, by law, can't run out of it. Retirement, I don't care about that, neither do you guys, we're super young. Property, more of tenant insurance, call it, is when you live in a rental. So let's start with the automobile insurance. I love this diagram for a reason. I love it because of the colors, of the necessities. The 3 main types of coverages are there. There's the liability one. By law, you cannot take it. You have to have liability insurance. Otherwise, you got stopped by the police, bam, $5,000 ticket. Moving to collision and comprehensive, that's one of the most important things. When you hear someone telling you, I'm insured both ways, that means he has collision and comprehensive. Comprehensive means anything other than collision that may happen to the car, glass breakage, a tree falls on you. Riots, not included. They will not tell you that, but it's not included. Moving to the endorsements. Don't get scared. The word endorsements means options. You can take them off, you can add them. It's super easy. You got the roadside assistance. Try not to take them because usually dealers offer them already, so don't overpay it or pay it twice. Rental cars, I like that. I actually have that on my car. Medical payments. In case someone dies, by the way, when they're driving, they get paid $15,000. That's something cool. Not dead, $15,000. Now, moving to the tenant insurance. That's when I really need you guys to focus here, because I can see not very much focusing. So what does it include? The tenant insurance, one, personal property. Everything that you actually own, belonging, your furniture, TVs, anything that you own, clothing, even away from premise, you can actually get all that money back and it's covered. But up to 7,500. So per item. If you have something worth 10,000, you have to report it to the insurance, again, with a receipt of purchase, so that they can pay you back the money. Don't say that I didn't tell you. It's gonna happen. QAs are at the end. Family liability protection. The civil liability is actually pretty cool. When you cause fire in your apartment, that's a funny story. People get scared that it's going to spread to other people and they're going to be liable of paying the damages causing to others. That's why that comes in. Family liability protection will not make you pay from your pocket. You're going to pay, someone else is going to pay for you. You don't care. That's why you're telling me you're sleeping risk. Stress-free. This coverage helps you prevent you from paying money out of your pocket. It's pretty clear, and it's actually landlords nowadays started forcing tenants to get tenant insurance. Moving to the additional living expense. I love that option. One of the reasons why I have tenant insurance is because of the additional living expense. Let's say I cannot live in my apartment anymore. Well, they will pay you money to live at a hotel. You can choose that hotel, but you do have a limited budget, so don't go crazy. But I actually like that because you can choose between an Airbnb, you can choose between a hotel, everything paid as long as you show receipts, the insurance is going to pay for that, right? Now, life insurance. Wow, this is actually very important, okay? You guys need to have life insurance. By show of hands, who has life insurance? You guys, of course, because you know this. No one, yeah, no, I don't think so. All right, so there are two types of life insurance. There's the term life insurance. I don't like that, I don't care about that, don't take that. And there's the permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance is actually, if you think about it, it's more of an investment than actually getting life insurance. Yeah, you are insured for life. But the beautiful thing about it when you're young is that you're paying so cheap for it, to get it super cheap. The premiums are super cheap. I will tell you why later on. But life insurance could be paid, keep on paying monthly premiums for what, 20 years? And then you're gonna be insured for life without even paying premiums while having the compounded money growing like they talked about. That was one of the most important things for a millennial to be taken care of. Now, the importance of life insurance, the breadwinner, your dad or your mom, provides income, right? Let's say someone passed away, the breadwinner passed away, there's income replacement. They will take care of it. The life insurance provides it that the dad has one. They will provide the income lost. Stay-at-home parent, let's say the mother passed away, her job was maybe to service the kids, that was a free activity. They will pay her money-wise for the service loss, the free service loss. Homeowners, that's one of the most fantastic things. You live with your parents, your dad has a mortgage, your dad passed away. If he passes away, the mortgage will be paid, and you don't have to take the burden. That's actually fantastic. I did not know that before joining the industry. Number 4, don't get too happy about inheritance. Like, come on, you get money when they pass away. That's not very funny, but you get money. So, health and dismemberment. You get actually access to medical care. The only thing I got so excited about this one, which I do not care about, is you get to skip the line at the public, like the family doctor. So that's actually fantastic. You don't waste 4 hours of your life. And you're gonna see a couple of words that I do not understand. I didn't choose to go to science or study science. But you got the hospital supplies are gonna be taken care of, patient care, anesthesiology, I do not know what that word is. And then you got radiology and laboratory. Basically, all your medical care, dental health are gonna be taken care of with this one. As I told you, don't get this one. You're gonna be wasting your money on it. I don't even have it, don't get it. So, what should a millennial have? Okay, I took the liberty of building a small scenario of what a millennial's life is all about. A millennial, first of all, lives in a rental or a condominium. Apartment or a condominium. 2, he relies on public transportation. 3, thinks he's invincible. See, no one said no, right? Like, am I correct? All right, perfect. So, number one, as we talked about, lives in a rental. Okay, you should get tenant insurance. That's one of the most important things. Helps build your credit score and your insurance score. The difference between the two, the credit score is more of banking of what they talked about. Insurance score is more related to your life insurance, the way you deal with the insurance industry, the way you deal with your insurance company. And of course, the higher your insurance score, the lower you're gonna pay for the premium. Don't overpay in the future. If you neglect this now, you're gonna end up paying a lot later. You're young, it's affordable, take it. 2, helps build homeowner insurance experience. In 5 to 7 years, you're gonna buy a house, let's say, on a mortgage, with a mortgage, it's fine. Now, the insurance person is gonna come up and tell you how many years of experience you have with insurance for your house. None, bam, 15% more on an $80 to $90 monthly premium. The tenant insurance only costs $20 to $25. If you use that well, you boost your credit while saving 15% on your monthly premium. Do not neglect that, okay? I learned that the hard way, and I'm big right now. 3, it's very affordable for young people. It's actually very affordable. As I talked about, it's $20 to $25, okay? 4, you access the coverage that eliminates the risk of uncertainty. Exactly, like we talked about, the 3 main things about tenant insurance. What are they? No one is paying attention. All right. So 1, you got the properties that are included in it. What's cool also that there's 10% of the property that you are insured with, located away from premise, are insured. So my phone got stolen when I was in Spain. Bam, the insurance paid that phone back because I got insurance. I got tenant insurance. Now, B, as we said, he relies on public transportation, the millennial. For those who have a car, here's ways to get cheap insurance. 1, shop around. Do not trust the guy that tells you trust me. And do not stick to one company, okay? Bundle the tenant, since I convinced you to take the tenant, hopefully. Get it with a car. If you bundle them up, 25%, bam, you just saved it. Okay? By the way, I'm not here to make you more money. I'm here to make you save money. That's the difference between me and them. So, 3, you gotta drive safely and stay claim free. Don't drive like them. Don't. Please. You're gonna end up saving a lot more money. And be a good student. You get 5% discount. B plus and above, not B's. All right. Last point is review the quotations from other companies every 2 years. What does that mean? It means do not stick to one company for more than, I've seen clients staying for 20 years. The insurance industry does not update your credit, does not know that you got better throughout time, okay? Your credit changes and gets better every year, hopefully. For some people it goes down. If it goes down, stay, because it doesn't update. You're paying cheap. If it gets better every year, change that company, because you're gonna get a cheaper price. The most important factor is the credit insurance, okay? Credit score and insurance score. Those 2 are the ones that are a funny story. Okay, I insured the guy 2 days ago on a Mercedes GLC 2019, $50. I did not understand why. I checked the credit, fantastic, he's 80 years old, used credit to the max. So he has fantastic credit. They allowed him to have, his risk is practically nothing. A total loss on a GLC 2019, we're looking at $70,000. This is a win situation for him because he took care of his credit. So don't overpay. All right, this is the most beautiful diagram explaining to you why the life insurance for young people pay cheap. Why do they pay cheap? Millennials, because we own nothing. We don't have anything, all right? So the amount of coverage needed is this. We don't have anything. And the assets. The premium is based on those 2 things. And don't think about it as life insurance, okay? You think about it as an investment, like a mortgage. Because when you pay that monthly premium for 20 years, you're gonna stop paying that. And you're gonna keep growing them with the investment. That's 2. 3, I lost the ideas in my head right now. Alright, so refreshing. Ensuring your long-term family goals, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so the amount of coverage needed, yeah, exactly. So when we are young, we barely have any stuff to insure. So that 20 years, exactly. So that 20 years, when you finish those 20 years, you stop paying for life insurance while still covered for life insurance. It's amazing. And that money that you use are invested slowly and compounding year after year. And while stop paying monthly premiums. If I were you, I would be getting life insurance. I got it like a year ago. I know, I should have known. Why do millennials need life insurance? It's cheap when you're young. Get it. It's really affordable. Don't wait till you get married. Damn, I got kids, I need life insurance. No. Everyone's thinking like that. Be proactive. 2, that is not always forgiven. If your father does not have life insurance and there's a mortgage when he dies, the burden is going to be on you. And you do not want that burden. I don't think in 2019, I can't even handle it. So, 3, some are investment linked. That's when those bad boys come in. When you use the life insurance, they will use that money to invest in. They will show you. There are 3 categories. It's so funny. And it's so clear and easy to understand. You have the risk-averse type, the moderate, and the aggressive type to invest in. You don't even know what you're investing in. They built the category. The job is almost done. Just do it. It's one phone call away. Okay? 4, help boost your credit, which will help you save money throughout your lifetime. What are we talking about? We save 15% because you had previous insurance experience. You built it up. It makes your credit boost a lot faster. Knowing that you have life insurance, knowing that you have tenant insurance, the bank will automatically see you as a responsible citizen and will grant you a higher credit. Year after year, they will tell you that you have, you will see it automatically when you get stuff with them, okay? Because in our lifetime, it's you against them. Them, the banks, and the finance teams. Careful. Not funny? Not funny. Okay. You got the point. All right. So, the common misrepresentation. I love this. I actually saw it on Twitter. All right. Millennials appear to have strong misperception on the cost of life insurance coverage. Almost 44% estimated the cost at over 5 times the actual cost. Why do you think this is? This is actually a rhetorical question. Don't answer that. So, why do you think this is actually? Yeah, why do you think that's? Why? Do you think it's expensive? You, sir.
Yeah.
You think it's expensive?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Insurance is expensive.
Life insurance.
Yeah.
Particularly. It's expensive, right?
But my car insurance.
It's expensive?
Yeah.
Of course it's expensive.
Yeah.
You're young.
So I think about the car vs a life. So I think it's.
You will take the car and you will not take the life. Even
Yeah,
though
I have
the
life.
life is going to bring you more money in the end.
Now I have a life too.
You have the life?
Yeah.
Thank you. See? Follow this guy. He has car, he has everything. See, that's my son. See, all this presentation was for you, man. Alright? So, for conclusion, this is not a Q&A yet. So, for conclusion, okay, I took the liberty to build exactly what you guys need. Please. Okay? I spent 1 day. Alright, so, I do this every day, so it's fine. Like, I know what we need. I'm actually 24 years old. I know what we need, okay? We need to have tenant insurance. Yeah, we need to have car insurance. You have to have car insurance. It's by law, okay? And you need to have life insurance. Those 3 things are gonna help you save a lot of money. Give up the health and disability, okay? Take it off. Okay, you go to the doctor, it's free. Don't worry about that. The dental health, you're gonna have it when you get a job, okay? I'm telling you about the most important things that no one is gonna tell you. Other than the sales guy that's gonna come and force you to take something you don't need, those are actually stuff you need. Please get them, and if you need tenant insurance and life insurance, call me. All right, thank you so much, guys.